My bad. Okay. So now we're done with our pound USD. Okay, guys. Now we go to our to my baby. Okay, on pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Hmm, let's move it here. Okay, guys. You guys can still understand it, right? Okay, daily resistance, daily support, daily major SNR. Okay, what you guys can see here right now is like a very clear view. Okay, even if you open our Fibo, we take it here, go all the way up. Okay, they cross all the borders, they cross all the level of daily major SNR, and currently bouncing at the level of 61. But then again, the level of 61 also has been broken like really bad. Okay, and they retested at this level. If you open on H4, okay, level of the breakout. Okay, once upon a time used to be a breakout there, and they respected that level. Okay, and this level here is still fresh that they haven't retested. Let's go back on daily. Okay, yeah, so this is the bigger picture breakout. Okay, that has not been touched yet, so we can expect that pound yen, if days goes by and the war is still going on, and what we call that thing, Jixi will make the reversal pattern for a buying momentum, showing that yen is going to be stronger and pound is going to be weakening. So this thing will go all the way down here. Okay, trust me on that part. I believe that that will happen because I'm really waiting for it to happen. Okay, if you open another way for us to look on the, my bad, if you look on another different ways of the picture, this double top neckline broken. Okay, or if you want to go with trend line, cannot go and break, what you call it, cannot respect the level of the trend line, and it broke, retested, okay, for the trend line pattern, and currently going down. Okay, there's multiple ways where you guys can do your analysis, from the trend line, from the SNR. Okay, so when you do your analysis, okay guys, on technical, basically you guys have to go through in all different ways that you guys can see. Okay, it's either the trend line, major SNR, you guys can combine with your Fibo if you guys want to, and you need to go through with different time frames. So what we can expect here for pound yen on next week, buying, it's not really what we can expect it to happen. Okay, what we can find, okay, and it's going to be safer, is the selling. Okay, because right now, if on our H1, it does make a bullish engulfing here and another bullish engulfing here. So by that said, that we can expect that it will go and retest here at these two level of break of market structure. With this kind of volatility that is going on the forex market right now, it's quite seldom for it to go and retest all the way up at this level. Okay, I don't really expect them will go up to this level, because of here is the level of break market structure on here. So what we can expect it, that it will go on the medium risk or the low risk level, and straight away going down. Let's try M15. Yeah, so M15, there's a blockage here. Okay, so that's why I said I'm expecting it to be around within this area for us to enter. From our low risk to our invalidation level for us to buy, it's roughly around 35 pips. Okay, if we enter on our low risk zone. But whatever it is, during this season, the market volatility is going to be like really small, so we can expect a very small SL. We'll see how. Okay, but whatever it is, we need to wait first on Monday. How's the market react? And I really hope the market opens without any spike or without any crazy movement. Suddenly the candle open up here, suddenly the candle open down here. Okay, so that is our pound yen. Okay, pound yen. So pound yen, Monday to Tuesday is where we're going to find our selling position, as long as they did not break this level. Okay, as long as they are still here, we're going to keep on finding our selling position, or perhaps if there's a chance for us to continue buy if they respected this level. But even so, if they touch this level, I'm still quite, what we call that thing, skeptic for us to find a buying, because it's very risky. So if we really wanted to find a buying and it's going to give us a really favorable, I'm gonna tell, like I told you, I'm gonna buy only at this level here. Okay, the level of daily support. Okay, guys. So that is our daily. I mean our pound yen. Our pound yen. Since if you guys see, we cannot go and retest this level. We've been expecting it to make a reverse. I mean to make a breakout after a few times touching the level of resistance, making all the build-ups up here. But then again, they still cannot manage to go and break. So what we can expect, they will touch our daily support, like it or not, they will touch. My friend managed to catch 900 pips from this trade. Okay, that guy was like, ooh, a SPAC. I was being fooled with pound yen last week, but we're not gonna be fooled again this week. Okay, guys. So Euro AUD, Euro AUD. Okay, let's go with the weekly time frame first. Euro AUD weekly time frame. First of all, this trend broken down, and I've been repeating this and telling you guys for quite some time. Okay, broken down, break of market structure, retested at the level, again drop. Trend line here, if you guys make a trend line, okay, break of market structure, retested, going back down again, and trying to retest again one more time. Okay, and this is the part where I was saying that the market make a manipulation. Okay, why? Market make a manipulation because of this. Okay, this. First we thought it's going to be a double bottom. First double bottom that shows here that they have a chance for it to make a breakout and go all the way up, but didn't happen. We tested again, another what we call a triple bottom or a double bottom just from this side, yeah. And that's the manipulation was starting. They retested at this level of neckline and didn't manage to make the breakout. And what happened was, bam, drop. Okay, so with the drop that is going on there, okay, drop that is going on there, you see that this level of break of this market structure here and here has been broken all the way down with a very strong candle. Even on daily, it's a strong candle there. Okay, broken all the way. Let's not try to even find a way for us to get a buying pullback or whatsoever for the meantime, until, okay, listen, until they reach the level of 78% of our FIBO from our weekly, which is going to be here. So like I said previously, that I anticipate that the drop is going to be roughly around 1250 pips from our first entry zone. Our second entry zone from our last week selling position. So I'm expecting at least 700 to 1000 pips for this trade to drop. Okay, so until they didn't reach the level of 78, let's not try to find any buying. We can find a buying position for a short pullback, but if by my eyes I don't see any level that is strong for us to find on an opportunity for us to go and find a buying, except this level here. Okay, level 61 also is still not strong. Okay, if you guys see on daily, a very strong bearish candle here. So let's not waste time on looking for it on that part. What we can find is another selling opportunity. Okay, here's the tricky part on Euro AUD and GBP AUD on last week on our selling entry. It is so hard for you to find on our for our candle. Okay, you see that this is the level we entry. For our candle, there's no way you guys can find for the selling position continuation. Even 1 hour, you guys cannot see. I mean, like, even I myself, I was like, it was so hard for us to entry for the buying, for the selling. Until some of you even asked me, should we hold on to this? Should we hold on to this? Because where was it? Okay, it was the first, the one that we managed to entry on Euro AUD. Do you know that I found this entry, okay, at M5 and M1? Same goes to pound AUD. Later I'll show you my pound AUD entry. The only way that I can see, and it's going to be risky, okay, but in the same time, you know that the momentum is going to be there. So how you need to find the pattern is you have to go look at M1 and M5. But then again, it's quite hard. I mean, it's quite risky because why? The pattern shows that this is the level that the break of market structure, okay, and it's quite big. It can be two places. It can be here and it can be here. Okay, but I took the chances and the risk from this level. So what happened was, on that time on our entry, it goes down, I mean, like, it goes up and it goes down. It makes a move like they wanted to go down, but if you guys open on M15, okay, it goes down, make some little bit profit, and it goes back up again. And there was like few of you was like saying, what's the update on EA? Yo, Omar G, what's the update on EA? Should we hold? Should we hold? Okay, on my M1, on my M1 and M5, okay, I keep on saying just let it be, just let it be. It is because of they still not managed to break this level of resistance here. Okay, so I still have the faith that it will drop down. And yes, thank God, what happened is they break the structure here, okay, and they cannot continue and retest the level of resistance, and they respected it. And what happens? They drop, and they drop crazy, guys. They drop. On the one who entered and still holding it, we managed to hold to 352 pips currently. Okay, we managed to hold on to 352 pips currently on our Euro AUD. So what we can do now for Euro AUD, we are still going to find our continuation trade. Okay, we are going to find a way for us to find continuation trade for our selling position. But as for now, let's expect a slight pullback going to this level here. Oh, I haven't done this. Oh, I haven't done Euro AUD. Okay. Okay, so Euro AUD. Okay, hold on. Okay, Euro AUD. See, this is the tricky part on Euro AUD currently right now. Even at M15, there's still no sign that you guys can enter yet. Okay, but what I'm gonna go with, okay, the one that I'm confident that they will make some slight changes or slight movement there, is that okay, this is how I find on a small time frame. Yeah, okay, we can enter here on our medium risk. That will be our medium risk zone, and this will be our low risk. Okay, this will be our low risk and our medium risk. Basically, that will be our entry zone. Okay, and our invalidation level for us to buy is gonna be here. So how many pips is there? Roughly around 30 pips or so. Okay, from our entry zone. What we can expect is that they are going to go and going down. Sorry, we're going to go like this, make a retest, go up here. Maybe from here they will respect the level and make a pullback, or they will go back up again, and after that only they will start to go make a rejection and going back down. Okay guys, that's for Euro AUD. Okay, so that is what we're going to look for on Monday or Tuesday. We'll see how the market react first on the price. We don't know. Okay, even I myself don't know how is it going to happen. So that is Euro AUD. So far I hope you guys still understand. Okay, if you guys have any question, you guys can ask me later on. That is Euro AUD. We're done with Euro AUD. Now we go to Euro CAD. Okay, Euro CAD is the pair that I don't really look at much, but what I was seeing, it was another crazy break of market structure is happening here. Okay. You guys can see it makes the similar move with the Euro AUD, but the difference was this one is with the CAD. Euro weakening, CAD is getting stronger also. Same goes with yen. So CAD is most likely going to make the same movement as Euro AUD. What happened here? Okay, if on our daily, sorry, what's that? Okay, on our daily, there were some people having problem on joining. What's up? Hold on, yeah. Okay, so this level here broken down. This level, okay, let me highlight that thing. This level broken, this level definitely broken, and this level broken. So what we can expect it that will retest at this level here. So this is the level of support currently that will happen, and this has become level of resistance on the daily, on the 4 hours or whichever time frame. So this is going to be the level of support here. Okay, this level is going to be level support, and currently the price will try to go and find their way to go to this level of support. While waiting they reach that level, we can try to find our opportunities for us to buy or perhaps to continue the selling position. Okay, so as for now on our 4-hour time frame, okay, 4-hour time frame, let's go down to our M15. Why I said we go to M15, because on our 4-hour time frame, if you guys can see here, they have made the break of market structure here on this level. Okay, and this is very strong, and we can find a way okay. Why is it that some people cannot join the hold on, guys. There seems like some of some of our warriors cannot manage to enter our trade. Like our live session. I think this guy should be managed to enter already, because I see him here, but he said that he is not inside here. Hold on. Okay then, let's continue, yeah. Okay, EuroCAD, sorry for the disturbance, guys. EuroCAD. Okay, here's a break of market structure. So if you open on M15, they make a reversal currently right now. Okay, and we have two levels for us to find our continuation for our selling position. Okay, I'm more looking towards selling instead of buying right now, because like I said, it hasn't touched the level of our daily support here. Until then, we are still gonna go and keep on continue selling and selling and selling. Okay, so for medium and low risk zone, we have two level actually. This is gonna be our medium, and this is going to be our low risk zone. Okay, and sometimes during this high impact, during this war that is going on and everything, we can expect this is the level that where they will start to make the reversal. Okay, but this is going to be very risky. But if it hits, it's going to be a high reward. Okay, you guys need to understand that thing during this time. So this can be a little bit tricky here. Okay, but whatever it is, we can try to wait and we'll see how the market react first on Monday. If I found any opportunity that we can straightaway enter for a continuation on selling, we try to enter on selling. It's either going to be on high risk or medium risk. Okay, but then again, there's still a chance for it to go all the way up to low risk. But if the market going to go all the way up to low risk, that is the part where we have to be a little bit careful. Because of why? This structure has been broken if they go all the way to the low risk. Okay, with a strong candle of bullish, this is going to be very tricky for us to continue on selling, even to continue for buying. So what we can do is, if this market have been broken, we'll wait for them to enter at this zone for us to continue our selling on EuroCAD. Alright, so that is our EuroCAD. We're going to try to find our selling opportunities. As long as the market structure is not being broken, we're going to continue selling. If it's not, we're going to find a different entry. Let's try not to force the market. Okay, that is EuroCAD. Now this is pound Aussie. Okay, pound and Aussie. Market trend line, buying trend line broken down. A small retest there, perhaps H4. Yeah, a small retest there, but still there is a chance for it to go and try to retest back at this level. But at this current situation, I don't think so that it will go and try to retest that level anytime soon yet. So on pound, the level of support broken. The level of support is broken. Why I cannot touch mine? Why? Hold on, guys. Oh, it's locked. No wonder. The level of support has been broken. So let's try to find the next level of support. It's going to be here. Okay. And second and the third is going to be roughly around here, but no. Yeah. It's going to be roughly around here. It's going to be around that area because this level is still considered around this level of support. So we can go and continue navigate a little bit slightly lower, at least to catch at this level here. Okay, and this level has been retest and boom, go straight away back up. So what we can anticipate here again, pound yen is gonna go and make the drop. And where is my what happened to my hold on. What happened to my support? Okay, I think I lost my support, guys. Okay, just let's do it again. Okay, first level of support broken, and currently they wanted to retest all the way down here. Okay, if you open on H4, yeah, this could be another strong level. Okay, so another level is going to be around here before they wanted to retest that. Okay, I don't like this level here, it's disturbing my eyes, so I'm going to delete this level and let it be, as long as we know that there's an indication here where used to happen a break of market structure. Let's open using this, and then we just gonna label it easier. Break of market structure, center. Okay, perfection. So yeah, let's not try to find any buying yet because haven't reached this level. Okay, so let it be, and we'll wait if we can find any continuation. Okay, I promise you guys that we're gonna go through with the selling position on the Friday and how I found that trade. See, if you guys see, there's no way that you guys can see with the selling opportunity using the 15-minute time frame here. Even for 4 hours, even for 1 hour, cannot find things here. I mean, like, you cannot expect that it's gonna go and make the continuous selling here. Even me, I would expect that they will go and retest all the way to this level before they start to go continue down. So what I did was, I go to M15, I expect it to go and retest this level, but it didn't happen so. And what I seeing here, that this candle here, somewhat what we can call an inverted railroad, okay, another what we call that thing, a bullish, a bearish signal pattern for it to go down. And what happened was they did, and we open on M5. If you guys watch on M5, they did retest, okay, respected this level and start to continue back down, okay. And what happened is they did retest and break this break of market structure. And if you guys were there at the live, I mean, like at the what we call that, at the channel, I give you guys another level or zone that you guys can entry for possible potential level for you guys to layer. Okay, what happened was, look, they exactly enter our zone here. First attempt, entered, going back down. Second attempt, okay, entered and straight away continue and continue down and falling. Okay, so imagine that I have to find an entry for this pound AUD on 1 minute and M15 trade, 1 minute and M5 only. So it's a bit hard, okay, in the what you call that thing, it's a bit hard for you guys to find a continuation selling if the candle is like on H4. Okay, you guys cannot see anything here. It's like it's too crazy on this part. I mean, you guys would not manage to find it. Even I myself was like, oh, okay, this is going to be very hard, but it's going to be a very worth to try. So what we can expect for pound yen, pound AUD next week, again, we're gonna find our selling position. Okay, we can try to find a buying, but it's not going to be favorable if there's a reversal. Because why? If it's gonna go and reverse, continue for a selling opportunity, you guys will not know, or even I myself will not find any level for us to put our stop loss. So it's uncertainty here. So let's not try to waste our time and try to burn our account and just in hope to get like how many pips, around 50, 57 or 60 pips. So better we go and find a bigger pips. You guys wanted to scalp, it's up to you, the risk is going to be yours. Okay, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to find myself a very safe level for me to entry, which is medium risk. Okay, medium risk here and low risk here. But if, okay, I'm going to tell you guys, there is a possibility also at this here level here that they will go like this, going up, retest up here, retest one more time, and go and break the market structure, or perhaps they will not even break the market structure. They will go up and there's no more higher high, and after that you will not see any level of higher high, and you guys start to see the market start to lose, I mean, like they start to be weakening. Okay, then only I will give you guys the selling opportunity right away from this level. Okay, it's gonna be playing around within this level. After that, to make a confirmation that this is valid, After the break of market structure broken, they will come again and retest this level. If they respect that level, I will let you guys know. I will tell you guys, layer this trade. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna layer that trade, and we're gonna go and enjoy the trade again, just like how we enjoy Euro JPY. We managed to layer 2 times, and I even give you guys the second setting for 15 pips and 20 pips just for a short scalping. So that is what we're gonna do also on our pound AUD. Okay, so for the meantime, we'll wait. We'll see how the market is going to react at this level. Okay, that is pound AUD and Euro JPY. Whoa, even crazier, man. Okay, Euro JPY, this is daily, yeah. Okay, as you guys can see, daily, all the market structure has been broken. Crazy broken. Okay, level of support here currently has been respected, but yeah, respected, and there's a pullback happening there. Okay, even for hour, they make a pullback. So this level here, you can find a buying opportunity. Okay guys, but it's going to be tricky and it's going to be risky also at the same time. Okay, why? The big gap is there. The gap is there, it's big, so it's going to be hard for us. Okay, with also in this kind of situation currently, it's going to be even crazier for you guys to go and enter buying. It's possible. I'm not going to say that it's not possible. It's possible. It's just that it's going to be very tricky and very risky. So in that way, better, like I said, we're going to find our continuation selling on this part rather than going for buying. Okay, because from buying, let's say from this part, or let's say the market suddenly open, it's going to be on the lower part. Okay, this level of support again, and wanted to go all the way up at this level here, there's a chance for it to go and reverse again. Okay, so actually, yeah, okay, so this is going to be the level of high risk. Yeah, okay, this will be our level of high risk, and this is going to be our level of medium risk. Okay, our level of medium risk, and this will be level of low risk. Okay, let's try to check. Yeah, why that is the level of low risk? Because that is the level where happen to have a break of market structure, a very big impulsive movement, and they are even retested at that zone. Okay, to make it much more confident, we try to put back a little bit up here. Okay, see where I'm up here. Level of high risk, level of medium risk, all near to what we call used to happen with break of market structure and retest. So that is our strong point, strong level. Okay, and selling is going to be invalid from this level. So we'll find and try to find a selling opportunity between this zone, and trust me, between this level here, during this level, the market will make a reaction. It's either going to be a strong pullback, a strong reversal, or just a short movement. But whatever it is, between this level, there will be a reaction happening. Okay, so that is for Euro JPY. You guys are going to, it's going to be very easy for you guys to understand that this whole live session is just that we are going to find a selling opportunity for all the pairs. Okay, we're going to try to find a selling opportunity for all the pairs. It's just that I'm going to give you guys a view where is the level that we can try to find our entry. Okay, we are done with this level here. With this watch list, with our very own favorite watch list, even my favorite watch list. Okay, because what we're gonna go through at this watch list, this is a very boring watch list. The movement is very slow. I don't like slow movement. Okay guys, so let's go through with our cat JPY. Let's go through with our cat JPY. Okay,
CAT JPY. Let's understand from our daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame, bigger picture here. This is what we call a build up, where they most likely, okay, supposed to go make a breakout. Once the build up is there, supposedly there will be a breakout, break of market structure, and retest back to this level, but still there's nothing happening there. And also even our daily time frame, inside the daily time frame itself, there's another trend that is going on, which is the flag here. Okay, and inside this flag, okay, as you guys can see, during the last week movement, CAT JPY, even though yen is strong, yeah, there was a selling momentum, but even at that selling momentum, this level of support is still being respected. Okay, if not, okay, if you see this pattern actually on CAT JPY, at this level here, they make a break of market structure on this trend. Okay, on this trend, if we stay, let's take this as a 4-hour trend. There's a break of market structure here, but what happened was, during that time, they didn't manage to retest, okay, of this break of market structure. They cannot retest at this level here. If there's going to be a retest, they will retest only at this level. They will go up and they will go down and retest at this level before they start to go and continue for the buying position. But what happened is, they not manage and they start to enter the channel again, what we call, sorry, the trend again. But then again, it's risky. Okay, not really risky, because the pullback was massive, man. What was this, bro? Okay, the pullback is massive. Okay, CAT JPY. Well, didn't see that coming. Okay, CAT JPY. Okay, we still can find an opportunity for us to get a buying here. Okay, only buying until let's open out M15, yeah, or H1. Yeah, we can try to find our buying opportunity exactly at this current level right now, all the way up to this level. Okay, all the way up to this level or this level. Okay, before I'm gonna go through with everyone on this watch list, I need to let you guys know one thing. This watch list, if you guys notice, even if you guys open on, okay, this is H4. H4 from, okay, we take this candle, from here until up here, it's only 175 pips. Okay, if this were pound yen, this size of a candle, you guys really get around roughly 200 to 300 pips. So you guys need to understand the pips calculation and the size of the candle for this watch list. It's very different and it's more smaller. So I was thinking, for this watch list, I'll be start to give you guys the TP1 until TP4. TP1 is gonna be 15 pips, TP3 is gonna be 30 pips, TP3 is going to be 50 pips, and TP4 we make it open. Okay, why? Because of, I don't want you guys to wait for too long for it to reach our level of TP3, just like USD JPY. Okay, what happened with USD JPY? From here to here, from our TP1 to TP3, it takes us at least 3 days for it to reach TP3. Imagine that. So within, like, between, for you guys to wait until it reaches TP3, some of you might lose the patience for you to wait until it hits TP3. So I don't know whether you guys agree or not. You guys can share with me your thoughts on the round table, whether you guys going to agree with me. We're going to start with TP1 15 pips, TP2 30 pips, TP3 50 pips, and our TP4 is gonna be open. Let it open, we let it run. That is for those who wanted to let it run and make it a swing trade or not. But this is just my suggestion, yeah, whether you guys like it or not. But whatever it is, your thoughts and your opinion is much more, what I call it, thing. I will more accept that instead of me start to just change by myself. Okay, but just like I'm gonna let you guys know, like USD JPY is it's really killing me, man. To reach TP3 it takes 3 days. What was that, bro? So yeah, cat JPY, why I said that we can find a buying opportunity. Okay, buying or selling. This level here, the high risk level here, it's the level where we can find buying or selling. Okay, but what I'm seeing here actually, okay, H4, still H4, this is a mad rejection, so there is a chance for it to go back up. But then again, if we open up on H1, H1 make a break of market structure at this level. Okay, you guys can see this level as a break of market structure. Okay, and currently they wanted to retest. Okay, they're trying to retest. The level they are going to retest is most probably why I said this level of high risk here. There's a chance for us to find a selling entry, because you guys can see at this part here, if you guys seeing this, okay, at this level here happen to have a high momentum that make a breakout go all the way up. So I'm expecting at this level of high risk there is a chance for it to go make their pullbacks. Okay, and at M15, okay, M15, a strong bullish bearish engulfing, break a market structure here. There's a really big engulfing here that it's all this candle here, and currently they're trying to make a retest. Okay, trying to retest this bearish engulfing, and what happened was this level of resistance here is respected. Okay, if we were, or I wanted to entry on this trade, okay, I will wait for it to make a break of market structure, which is, oh man, sorry, hold on, which is I'm gonna wait it go all the way up here, down, up, down, up, retest this level and go all the way down. Okay, if it's not, the other scenario that you guys can expect, they go here, they go up, they break the market structure, they retest here, respected this zone, and continue go all the way up. Okay, because why? There's a pattern here going on. Okay, so let's wait for it to make a break of market structure on this pattern. That is for cat JPY. Okay, oh okay, cool. Yo, welcome man, Imran. You've been having a hard time for you to enter, yeah. Okay, that is cat JPY and this is AUD JPY. AUD JPY. Oh, that was quick. Okay, AUD JPY. We didn't manage to catch the selling opportunity here. Okay, we didn't manage to catch the selling opportunity, but what we can find is, what we can expect is that AUD JPY, there is a chance for it to go and go all the way back up here, you know. If we open our daily, yeah, if we open our daily here, this level has been retested. This is the first, what we call that thing, our first selling position, and then they come all the way up again, try to retest this level, and bam, going down. And what happened here, there's a level where we call it, there's a, what you call that thing, man, fuck, I can't remember the word. Okay, what we can see here, there's a break of market structure here with the build-ups, and currently break the level of neckline here, yeah guys. This is on our daily, and you guys can see the level of break of market structure is very strong, but then again they've been rejected at this level. Okay, but if we break down all the way to the 4-hour time frame, they retest at this level and they reject, go all the way to this level of resistance, where they are trying to retest this break of market structure, and it has been successful twice. Okay, twice they come retest this level, try to go back up again, break of market structure here, go all the way back down again just to retest at the level of support, and now they are currently trying to go make their way going up. Okay, so from this point, okay, let's try to open on M15. Okay, so from this point, here's a pattern they are currently developing. Okay, so this level here is quite risky. You guys cannot try to find your buying or selling yet, because like I said, for this pattern, okay, let's try to see M1. Okay, even in M1 is still in range. Okay, but usually at this kind of pattern where they go up and down, suddenly going down for a spike and we go back up again, this is what we call the V thing that some of you may accounted. This is what we call a V. Usually when there's a V like this, there is a very low chance for it to go down. Usually they will go here, they will make a breakout and go like this. That is usually what happens if there's a V here or a spike up like that. Okay, they will try to play around this level and drop down. But then let's not be too confident just like that. What we're going to do is we are going to wait for a break of market structure, whether they on M15 or smaller time frame, whether they go up, down, just like earlier pattern. Okay guys, retest, continue back down, or the other scenario, they go up, break of market structure. Oh, okay, sorry, they're gonna go up, break of market structure, retest this level, respect it, and go all the way back up. Because for this AUD JPY, I'm really expecting it to go all the way up to this level, then only we can find our selling opportunity. But if there is suddenly there's a market changes or whatsoever, for example like this is quite I don't know how do you spell that word, how do you pronounce that word, bias, or I think you understand, huh? Yeah, I'm expecting it like, okay, H1, this can be a HNS pattern. Okay, there is a chance for it to become a HNS pattern. But what we can do is we are going to wait for it to go make another retest, perhaps at this level. Okay, another retest at this level. If they cannot break the market structure here, then we are confirmed and confident for us to enter a selling position here. For them to go all the way retest back at the level of support here, or from this level to our level of support, it's already roughly around 60 pips. Or if they wanted to go more crazier, they will go all the way down for another 100 pips. Okay, but whatever it is, we are going to wait until they reach this level for us to find any opportunity on selling or buying. Okay, but here is where I'm going to be much more confident for us to sell. Okay, so let's kill this pattern, I mean this arrow. I hope you guys still with me and still understand what I am at right now. This is AUD JPY and ZD JPY. And ZD JPY, what happened was last week it didn't go and enter my low risk zone. What happened is they enter on our medium risk and straight away make a pullback. Okay, but you don't be afraid and don't be encouraged that I'm still expecting the NZD JPY will go and enter our low risk zone. Why? Here's why. Daily time frame at this level, okay, you guys can see the bullish is still strong. Okay, even though they rejected at the level of medium risk. Sorry, H4. Yeah, H4. Okay, let's go back again. Daily time frame, the bullish candle is very strong until they make a break of market structure at this level. Okay, and what you guys seeing right now, this small wick happening here is actually, if you guys see, H4, they entered and they go down, rejected for 57 pips. Let's go to M15. Entered on our medium risk and dropped just for it to retest again one more time at this level of support after the break of market structure here. See, if we pull, this is break of market structure level. Okay guys, and now currently they are retesting back on the level of break of market structure, bounce again, going back up again, currently still respecting the level of medium risk. Okay, so what we can expect here, it's either they are going to go make a breakout, but it's, I don't know man, I don't see any good indication yet. Okay, and even our 1 hour time frame,
bullish engulfing happening here, but still not strong. And at this level here, the bearish engulfing is still not strong, but here we have a strong one with the rejection going back up, but still cannot make the break of market structure here. Okay, so what we can do is we wait. It's either we are going to wait until this level, or we are going to wait a break of market structure again one more time. Okay, let's try not to force the market for NZD/JPY, because NZD/JPY can be very slow sometimes until they wanted to close the market, like 5 hours gap before they wanted to close the market, only they will start to make a high volume traded. From this end of February and entering March, what I'm seeing on the market currently, they don't really make any much volume. There's no much volume traded during the early opening of the market. They will like to go make the crazy movement only like from 7 hour to 5 hour gap before the market trying to close. Then only you guys can see the volume start to kick in, which is very seldom that thing happen. That thing happened once at the December end of the year, so we can expect it's still gonna go make the weird movement again. So for NZD/JPY, I'm still expecting for it to go enter our low risk before we start to make any crazy downfall on this part, yeah. Because yeah, as you guys can see here, I'm really waiting for it to go reach this level of low risk. Then only we can expect a very and good downfall for us to enter selling position. NZD/JPY, this is CAT CHF. Okay, CAT CHF. Did I go through with CAT CHF yet? It was CAT JPY, right? On the pattern just now? Yeah. Okay, CAT CHF. CAT CHF daily time frame. As you guys can see, it makes a similar move with the CAT JPY earlier. Okay, still in the channel currently. Okay, even on H4, it's just this H4 is the funny part. H4 make the movement of GBP USD on their daily, which is they are in this trend. Okay, and they're supposed to make a breakout, but didn't happen, and they go and continue all the way down. So right now, if you wanted to enter on CAT CHF, okay, H4 is showing a very bearish engulfing here. So and currently they have retest. Okay, they have retest twice on this selling opportunity of ours. So what we wanted to do here, what we can do here, we can find a buying opportunity only at this level here. Okay, we can find our buying opportunity one more time at this level here on Monday. Let's open up 1 hour. Okay. Okay, yeah, we can try to find our buying opportunity at this level here. Okay, and only for expectation for once they enter our low risk zone, they will just to leave us a week. Okay, they will not be there and playing and straight away go up. I'm expecting a very high momentum at this level of low risk or our medium risk, and before they start to go all the way back up again and continue back down again. Because for our CAT CHF on our daily, okay, they are still respecting this level. Okay, this level here, this zone. Let me get that thing. Okay, this zone here, they are still respecting this zone. But then again, let's not be too confident. This level of support here still can be touched, just for it to make a week like this and go continue back up. Okay, so for CAT CHF, we can find an opportunity for buying. Okay, there's a bigger chance for us to find a buying, and then more than continuous selling, because I think we missed the trend for continuous selling. There's 1, 2, but there is a chance for it to go boom back up, enter our medium risk or low risk, and start to go push back down again. That is CAT CHF, and now we go with AUD USD. Alright, AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD, as you guys can see, I've labeled here. there's two levels of break of market structure. Okay, if you see on the trend, there's no higher, there's no lower low anymore, double bottom, and then this is most likely is going to be the reversal for them to go and start continuous buying if this trend right now has been broken. And let's expect it to retest. H4 did retest the break of market structure. Okay, H4 did retest. If you guys see here from this point, break of market structure going up, bam, they drop back again one more time. Yeah, they go up, they drop back one more time just to retest and go continue back up. And currently they have made the break of market structure on this level here. So what I'm expecting is, and also what we can anticipate for our AUD USD, is for us to find a buying continuation. Okay, we can try to find a buying continuation with the very minimum risk. Okay, right now I'm expecting for a 16 pip risk right now on this level. Okay, this happen to be a break of market structure here. Okay, so we are expecting for a 16 pip loss where they buy, they're going to play this level and boom, continue back up again. That is what I'm expecting right now for AUD USD. Okay, and if you wanted to find on selling, we're going to go find selling on the bigger picture, on the bigger time frame. Let's not waste try to find a selling right now, because there's a level of break of market structure already happened. So let's try to find on selling instead. On buying, we can put as minimum risk as possible. Okay, so for AUD USD, if I send you guys any buying continuation, and if you guys feeling what I call that thing, not comfortable to enter as near to my SL as possible. Why I keep on highlighting best entry as my SL? Because the one has been following with me for quite some time, they know sometimes they like to touch my SL just before they start to make the high impact. Okay, sometimes they won't even touch our risk zone and they start straight away make the big impact. So if you guys are not confident with this trade, you guys feel like why does Omar G giving me these signals again? Because from your eyes maybe you think that it's not proper. If you guys think that from your eyes it's not going to go to that area, so by all means please go and enter at my SL level. Okay, from if you guys, let's say you guys wanted to enter at my SL level and you guys don't know how many pips some more that you guys are going to add on later on, you guys can add another extra 10 pips perhaps. From if you guys are enter my SL level, you guys are still going to get a very minimum risk level there. Okay, so that's another tips that I can give you guys. Alright, so AUD USD, I'm more looking on buying. Okay, I'm more looking on buying for AUD USD. USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY daily time frame. Why did I see this pattern earlier? Okay, USD JPY, what I'm seeing right now, they made a break of market structure at this level of resistance here. Okay, and currently has been playing and retesting many times on our daily time frame. Okay guys, and as you guys can see here, it's more likely to make a build up. Okay, that going try to make a breakout all the way up, but didn't happen because yen started to get stronger. And if you guys seeing here on the daily time frame, this is not any more higher high, and this is not another higher high. Ooh. Let's try to see weekly. Yeah, even on weekly they started to make a lower low, a lower high. Okay, and currently have a double bottom, double top after retest of this level of market structure here, which is a strong level of, yeah, some people say it's a high demand, supply and demand. Okay, so USD JPY, if you guys really wanted to find an entry for buying, now it's too late really. Okay, I would prefer to find our buying opportunities only at this level here, this two level, or even here, this level here. This is going to be a strong, okay, I'm going to show you this. I'm going to tell you that this is the two level that is you guys can enter And even if you guys wanted to enter with the crazy shit of like full margin, this 2 level is the level where you guys can enter for a full margin. Okay, because why? If this price currently drop all the way down, this level here is going to be a fresh level up here for it to go and boom, shoot all the way back up again. Why? This is an example for you guys. Okay, for example,